Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. First is, what is the name of the scheme launched by the government for providing equity support to MSMEs in India? The answer is SRI Fund Scheme. Here are some interesting facts. The self-reliant India Fund, known as SRI Fund, supports micro, small, and medium enterprises, in short MSMEs, by providing equity funding to help them grow into large businesses. The total size of the fund is rupees 50,000 crore, to out of which rupees 10,000 crore comes from the government of India and rupees 40,000 crore is mobilized from private equity and venture capital investors. The SRI funds uses a mother fund and daughter fund model to invest in MSMEs through equity or quasi equity instruments. It is managed by NSIC Venture Capital Limited, in short NVCFL, a category second alternative investment fund, in short AIF, registered with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, commonly known as SEBI. As of March 2025, the scheme has already invested about rupees 10,979 crore in 577 MSMEs, showing strong progress in supporting India's small business. The next is Chagos Islands, that was recently seen in news, is located in which ocean? The answer is Indian Ocean. Here are some facts about this. India recently welcomed the United Kingdom decision to return the sovereignty of the Chicago's islands, including the Diego Garcia atoll, to Mauritius under a historic agreement. The Chagos Islands are located in the central Indian Ocean, about 1600 kilometers south of India's southern tip. These islands have been a British overseas territory since November 8, 1965. Key islands in the group include Diego Garcia, Danger Island, Egmont Islands, Eagle Islands, Nelson's Island, Pos Banbos, Three Brothers, and the Solomon Island. Diego Garcia, the greatest island covering 30 square kilometers, hosts a major United States military base. The islands are flat and low-lying, with most areas not rising more than 2 meters above sea level and having no river or lakes. They experience a tropical marine climate with high heat and humidity, moderated by trade winds. The next is, which country has discovered a new species of bacteria named Nailea thiaogontia? The answer is China. Here are some interesting facts about this bacteria. Chinese scientists recently discovered a new species of bacteria named Nailia tiaogontia ab- about the Tiangong space station. The Tiangong space station, meaning sky place palace, is a Chinese owned and permanently owned space station in low Earth orbit, in short, LEO. It is the final phase of China's manned space program developed after earlier missions Tiangong 1 and Tiangong 2. The first model Tiangi was launched in April 2021 and connects two science modules, Vantinian and Martinian, with a planned space telescope called Exutinia. The next is, where was the Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025 inaugurated? The answer is New Delhi. Here are some interesting facts about this summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the Rising Northeast Investors Summit in New Delhi, emphasizing zero tolerance towards terrorism and moist unrest. He described East as empower, act, strengthen, and transform, highlighting the Northeast dynasty as India's strength. The region, once called a frontier, is now a front runner in growth with strong tourism, bioeconomy, bamboo, tea, petroleum, sports, and eco-tourism sectors. The two-day summit focused on tourism, agro, food processing, textile, healthcare, IT, infrastructure, energy, and entertainment, aiming to attract global and domestic investment. The summit brings investors, policymakers, and stakeholders together to promote Make in India, Make in the Northeast, and Make for the World initiatives. The last is Nagar Bhol Tiger Reserve is located in which state? The answer is Karnataka. Here are some interesting facts about this tiger reserve. Recently, 52 Jainu Kurba tribal families in Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, in short NTR, put in a broad claiming land rights up claiming land rights under the Forest Rights Act, FRA in short. It is located in Karnataka, specifically in the districts of Mysore and Kodagu. The reserve is an ecological meeting point of the western and eastern Ghats mountain ranges. It is named after the Nagarhole River, which flows inside the reserve and joins the Kabini River. Nagarhole is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is bordered by Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Vyagnar Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kabini River is to the north and Moyar River is to the south of the reserve. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.